So, baby's running. That's the sound. No idea what it is. Not the fan, that's for sure. Well, the sound seems to be coming from somewhere inside there. And all the belts off, started the car. Still the same sound. No idea.